Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your project on GitHub. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Are you ready? Let's go. First, you have to pick your project. So anyone after you have uploaded it to GitHub. So let's say I just uploaded web to GitHub and I want to host it so that I can show people what I've done. So I just clicked on it now. Okay, here we are. This is our project that we have up GitHub. So now we go to settings, click on settings. Then come down to page right here. Come to GitHub page. Click. Okay, so you choose your repository, your main repository. Then you click save. And that's it. It's going to take some few minutes. So this is the link, so you can just click on it. Okay, now let me tell you something about right now let me tell you something about hosting your project on GitHub. When you're hosting a project on GitHub, you have to give it the name index. If you give it any other name, you're going to get this 404 error. So right now, let me show you how you can change the name if you have made that mistake. So let's go back. Let's just come back here, click on web, then click on your HTML. The HTML have to have the name index. So we come to edit the file. So this is the name up here. We're going to change it to index. Okay, name change to index. Now you can put a little comment here what it does did. Then just say if you want, just change the name to index. Okay, then you now commit change. Done. You can look at the name has changed now. So let's go back up here. Let's go back to settings. Then go back to page. So now we're going to click it again. If you notice, this has changed to document. And look at it, it's now displaying. So you want to make sure when you want to create a page or host your project on GitHub, the name of your HTML has to start with index.html. So if you want to send the link to a friend, just copy it from here, or you want to send it as maybe you want to submit it as a project. Just come up here, copy your link from here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye.